and I have the best solution that give me the best skin hydration for my Indian skin. SkinQ micellar water and instant hydrate and repair beauty box, which are formulated by a dermatologist. Start with niacinamide based micellar water to cleanse my skin. I also use this regularly at the end of the day as it's a great solution to remove all makeup from the face. Then I apply the hydrate serum that hydrates the skin and makes it fresh. For the kit, I use it once a month to give skin a boost of hydration. Start with micellar water to cleanse the face, then the glycerin infused exfoliator for skin exfoliation, then a skin massage with shea butter, then an active boost pre-mask serum to smoothen and improve skin texture, and finally the sheet mask for the perfect hydration. With SkinQ, my skincare has become very easy. I now need only 3 products and I get the best skincare and protection. Thank you, SkinQ.